my beauties, I have come up with a very glowing makeup look today because Diwali is on corner. A lot of festivals are coming and a lot of weddings are also coming, so I need all my viewers, all my subscribers to glow eternally, which will be visible from space as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step, I have already primed my eyes and have taken care of them. For that, if you want to check that video out, I will link it in the description box. And now we are going to prime the face for a very glowy and a dewy makeup. We need a very glowing base because I am an oily skin type. I can't use a dewy foundation, so that is why I need a very dewy, a very healthy moisturizer. For that, I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk. We are not going in very extra because it's highly moisturizing. As you can see, it's intense written over here. So we are gonna take some on my palm and I'm gonna mix some coconut oil in it for the extra glow. Okay, this is parachute coconut oil. I'm taking 2-3 drops in it and then applying it all over my face. Massage it very nicely. As you can see, it's glowing. You can add more drops of coconut oil if you are dry skin type, or if you are normal skin type. I'm an oily skin type, that's why I had only 2 drops of it, but I am adding it more because I want to glow more. Best highlighter is coconut oil. Please, just trust me. It just works the best. Okay, so the base is done. Let's move to the second step. Before going to the second step, you have to remember that you don't have to slap on foundation abhi. Please wait for 5-7 minutes so that all this moisturization seeps into your pores and goes in deeply your skin. Then only I will and you all should go on with foundation. So I'll see you after 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm back after 10 minutes. As you can see, this moisture is completely sucked in. Now the next step is to apply a mattifying primer because I am an oily skin type. So I'm taking the Color Bar Perfect Matte Primer, taking some on my fingers, apply it on my pores and some under my fine lines as well. What you have to do is you have to always dab the primer into your skin. Fill your pores with this primer and now you're done. Again, you have to wait for 5 minutes, so I'll see you after 5 minutes. Okay, so I am back after 5 minutes and my skin looks really glowy. As you can see, it's absolutely reflective. Okay, so now we are moving ahead with lip balm. Till then, we'll finish off with the base. Our lips will be nice and dry. Okay, so our lips are very glowing as well, so we want everything to just stand out and look like a glow bulb. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a liquid illuminator and mixing it in my foundation to make it very dewy because my foundation is a matte foundation. So taking my favorite Fit Me and L'Oreal Lumi in the shade Rose Gold, I am taking some of on my palm and mixing. You have to apply very little foundation on your face because unless it will look absolutely cakey and it will slip on your face. Okay, because the base is very dewy and very highly moisturized and it's going to give you giving you a very beautiful glow. That is why you have to apply very little of the foundation. Don't do out of it. Don't overdo it. As you can see, I have mixed both of the two and applying it wherever I have dark spots only. Okay, that's all. Okay, so if you don't have a liquid illuminator, what you can do is take your highlighter
highlighter, you can scrap some pieces, and mix it in your, for example, just scrap it off like this, and then you have to mix it on your foundation, and it will look better than the illuminator. I can show you that. Okay, so let's blend our foundation. Where's my tool? Okay, I finally found my tool, and I'm going to blend it. Close your eyes and blend in the inner corners. Always remember to dab these kind of sponges and then use them, because it will also absorb any kind of extra product you have on the sponge. Okay, as you can see, we are already glowing, and now what we have to do is apply a little more highlighter, but we are not going to apply it the conventional way. We are going to mix it in with our lip balm. Okay, we're going to take some lip balm, okay, and we're going to take some highlighter and mix it in the lip balm very well. Apply it all over your cheekbones. Look at that. You just have to blend it. We are going for this look because it's very glow from within kind of look. That is why we are not using brushes, and we are using lip balm to make our skin feel more hydrated, and it will give a nice glow to the skin. Look at that. Okay. Similarly, you can do it on the other side as well. Blend in circular motions. Okay. Okay, we are done. Look how it's moving. Okay. Okay, so we are shifting towards the eye, and what I'm going to do is apply some more lip balm on my eyelids to create a gloss kind of look, which really looks really pretty. We are not going heavier on the eyes. I will be just mixing my blush. As you can see, I will be just swirling my finger into the brush, and I'm just patting the product in and mixing it with the lip balm to give it a very gloss kind of look. It looks super stunning. Okay, so heading over to the next step, eyebrows. Okay, so I'm using my favorite Maybelline pencil to fill in my brows. Brush through your forward here like this, and then come to the end. Okay, it's done. Now heading over to my favorite part, that's blush. So I'm taking my blush, swirling my finger. Whenever you want natural finish, use your fingers. Always apply your blush upwards because it uplifts your face. I'm blushing. Okay, so the next step would be mascara and lipstick. Okay, so I have come up with the favorite Miss Claire lip cream, and we have to apply it very little, only on the centers. Okay, with the help of your finger. We do not want the lipstick to just stand in your face kind of lipstick. We want it to mute it out. That's why I'm using our fingers. So as you can see, everything is very tied up. The eyes are pink, the cheeks are pink, and the lipstick is pink. So that is the whole idea of a dewy makeup. It looks coherent, it looks connected. And now for the last step, I'm using lip Nivea lip balm and dabbing it on my centers to get the glow. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the look. You can apply whatever lashes, kajal, any other kind of look. So that is up to you. The main was the base, how to do it, how to ace it, how to get the perfect dewy makeup look. As you can see, it's so glowing and it's perfect for festive season. It's perfect for 2 to 3 hours. Just in that, you cannot wear it for the whole day because it has so much of like lip balm, moisturizer, oil, so it will just make your skin looks cakey. Okay, so you can wear it for a party, you can wear it for a sangeet, wedding, that's about it. Not more than 3 to 4 hours. You can make the makeup stay long because it's dewy and it just gets straightened up. Okay, so without any further blabbering, I would highly wish you all the love from my side and give my videos lots of love. And till the next time,